Here I have MICROMAX Canvas Mega, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose here power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. And then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys and release both keys as soon as MICROMAX logo pops up on the screen. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the Android system recovery pops up. So this is the no command picture, so it means that now we need to press power key, and by holding power key, press volume up once. And this is Android system recovery. So here you can use the following information. You can read the information about your system, and you can navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Here you can apply update from ADB, you can apply update from SD card, you can apply update from a cache, you can accomplish hard reset by choosing wipe data factory reset, you can wipe cache partition, backup user data, restore user data, check root integrity, reboot to bootloader, or power down the device. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose power down or the first option, which is reboot system now. So in my case, let me use reboot system now, press power key to confirm it. That's it, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.